Grilled meat but not only and perfect for solo dining? Hi everyone! Finally, we are about to try here at Yakiniku Like at SM North EDSA. And ang daming tao when we came here. So be ready to have your data or any internet connection so you can reserve your seat as soon as possible you came here. But don't worry because their service crew will assist you as long as you get in, especially if it's your first time. And starting as low as 229 pesos, you can enjoy their food, but it will depend on the set that you will choose. For us, we chose Trio-like set and Harubi and Garubi set. And in those set, it also includes rice, soup, kimchi, or salad. But we chose kimchi because I really do love pairing it with rice and grilled meats. Also, they have different sauces here and we tried them all, but my favorite is their spicy miso sauce. And then we actually thought na mabibitin kami, that's why we ordered 200 grams for Harubi and Garubi set and 300 grams for Trio-like set. Pero akala ko lang pala, kasi nabusog kami and we are super satisfied probably because of their premium quality set of food. Plus, marirecommend ko din to sa mga nagka-calorie deficit pero gusto mag-samgyup. Hindi ka mapipilitang kumain ng madami since it's not only, sobrang sarap pa. By the way, you can also add cheese dip if you like your grilled meats with cheese, and if bitin ka sa kimchi, you can add or order again. Kaya kung sawa ka na sa mga only samgyup or grilled meat katulad ko pero hindi quality, go visit and let's eat at the nearest Yakiniku Like branches near you. Enjoy!